Good evening, friends and fellow Americans. As I promised during my run for the presidency, there will be compensation for the African American community for their contribution to this great land we call home. 3, as a claimant, you will be able to state claim and file for monetary compensation or free labor by the hands of the existing descendants of the slaveholders.
Hell no! We don't know! 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 Hell no! We don't know!
Seth, please tell me that there is some way around this. I mean, there's absolutely no way that I am paying $40 million. My family worked very hard, and
Your family were slave owners, Chris. You do realize you don't have to pay anything. You're still young. Maybe cut a deal to work with them.
I'm sorry, Seth. Did you say work? As in serve them? Like a slave?
There may be some African Americans who don't want to file. That's entirely up to them. But I would say the majority of them will. Do I think the majority will have monetary compensation or free labor? That remains to be seen.
Now, let me get this clear. You want a $30 million loan to pay off a reparations debt?
Yes.
Miss Bradley, you're 24 years old. You have no collateral. I hardly see this possible.
I'm so glad it's Friday and I get to spend the whole night with my wife. What's wrong?
Why did you take the $10 million that Christian offered? It's way more than we ever would have seen before reparations.
I don't care. It's $40 million. Or he works like a slave. His relatives didn't give my relatives any breaks, now did they?
Yeah, but we're not them, Justin.
Yes, we are. The shoe is on the other foot now. Why do you think they made reparations in the first place, huh? Either he pays or he suffers.
But I think...
Nah, that's the end of it.